And we really have to start with basic workshops like, why is digital transformation important for governance? If you can tell me that this is not a problem in your country, I'm very happy for you. If you agree with me that you're working in an organization who has really realized what this means, congratulations.
The way we are going about this is actually building a consortium of partner companies, working with multiple cities and creating this standard, as well as from IIC side creating a reference implementation which will be open source.
It's really about having communities like cities, NGOs, companies that can define actions they want to support, and then users being able to prove these actions through either social-based proofs, sensor-based proofs or oracles. And when they can prove their action, they would be getting tokens they can afterwards use for specific measures.
About 30 years ago, you would find that a lot of foam on that river. So lakes, rivers were heavily polluted in Switzerland not too long ago, actually. Their data, the collection of their data, their insights, their recommendations have really been influencing the policy debates in Switzerland. And so if you go to Switzerland today, you might encounter these kind of images.
As part of the National Urban Information System, we had created a 152 towns database at 1:10,000 scale. All of them are put out on the public domain today, particularly with the present initiative of the government to look at Amrit as a main program wherein we are talking about 500 cities at a very high scale mapping, 1:4,000 scale mapping, and India is now taken off in a big way as far as geospatial database usage is concerned for master plan preparation. ISRO is helping out in providing the base layers wherein the ULBs add on respective other layers to make the master plan much faster as compared to what it used to be earlier.
Satellites become a much greater platform to be able to doing things much more effectively, maybe not with the same precision, but from a decision point of view, they will help achieve things much faster.
We need to bring this relationship between cybersecurity and sustainable development and sustainable growth, and have these conversations put up in public in countries like India, where we are taking security for granted.
We're living in a global village, and being a global export-oriented economy, Germany is not left with any choice but join hands with partners with complementary abilities like India.
And there are more than 4,400 students graduating in ICT fields in Bavaria alone. As already told, we are supporting Indian students or PhD candidates.
Throughput. We need to increase the throughput. Means automatic traffic violation detection, no policeman jumping in front of you, catching you for helmet, and parking ticket, you are getting a ticket, bargaining within 20 rupees, 30 rupees. Remove all of that, automate it, like Hong Kong and all. 10,000 people in the morning, boom, come down and just disperse through metros, and then all of this gone. Here, 1,000 people come down, they're stuck in all over the place.
By introducing blockchain or distributed ledger technologies, we will shift to the Internet of Information, to the Internet of Values. So it will be all about asset management, about having common contracts, having a trustworthy network, and which is not governed upside down, but probably also the capability of managing things from the bottom, so everyone could participate.
So 5G is not just another kitchen or another restaurant giving a new radio access technology, but it is a food court which is coming up with a new state-of-the-art restaurant called New Radio, but it also is incorporating the existence of all other restaurants into its fold. So essentially, 5G is making sure that all type of access, be it fixed line, be it the Wi-Fi, be it the 3G system, be it 4G system, be it the LTE system, all of them can be used as part of 5G. So that is why I would call the 5G the food court and not a specific restaurant.
And here is a strong role of ICT, and that's how we approach. We try to connect through not a platform, but I would prefer to say an ecosystem, to connect citizens with government or the city, to connect employees with their human resource management that guides them, motivates them, and while giving back the most important and valued data, that cities know how to react, where the need is.
So the idea is to get citizens involved, to see if your organization can also partner with this initiative.